You may want to export out your video contents in different formats, and in that case what you can do is you can export using presets. So over here you can see that I have a project right here. So what you need to do is you need to go around and click on export right here, and then over here you can see that default preset is an option, and here you can see that there's different presets that you can choose from right here. And right now, the default preset that is set is YouTube 1080 SD right here. But you can go around and go for Facebook 720 SD as well. And once you do that, what happens is that now that will be set as the default preset right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto export now right here, and let me just select the in and out content right here, just like this. And once I do that and then click on export and in and out content, then what happens is that instead of the 1080p SD right here, you can see that the default preset is set to Facebook 720 SD, and that is the format it will export out the video in, just like this. And you can see that it's rendered as such. So that is how you can go around and then export using the default preset right here, and set the default preset now for exporting inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.